Ever wondered how a toy car could be in two places at once? Or how a teddy bear could disappear and reappear somewhere else? Welcome to the marvelous world of quantum mechanics, a place where the impossible seems possible. Imagine a magical sandbox. But instead of sand, it's filled with tiny particles, so tiny that you can't see them, even with the best magnifying glass. These particles are the building blocks of everything around us. In this magical sandbox, the rules are different. A toy car could be in two places at once, or a teddy bear could disappear and reappear somewhere else. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the beauty of quantum mechanics. So the next time you're playing with your toys, think about the magical sandbox and the amazing world of quantum mechanics. Remember, even the smallest things can have the biggest mysteries. Stay curious, little adventurers, because the world is full of surprises. Embrace the magic, embrace the mystery, and keep exploring the wonders of quantum mechanics. You're never too small to dream big.